Thank God you connect charger. Finally you put me on charge. Thanks boss for charging me. Please next time put me on charge quickly.
Hey, what's up guys? Today in this video I'm going to show you how to enable new charging sounds on your any iPhone. So let's begin. Okay guys, first go to shortcuts. After go to shortcuts, tap on automation. Now tap on plus button. Go to charger. After go to charger, guys, remember select this option, run immediately. Now tap on next. Look at this. Speak text. Tap on speak text. After tap on speak text, guys, you type anything for charging sound. Like thanks for charging. After type, guys, you set rate, pitch, language, voice, everything. After set all settings, simply tap on done button. Now look at this. Our shortcut is create. Now let me show you. Remember guys, first increase volume. Now I will connect charger.
Thanks for charging.
I also show you in lock screen.
Thanks for charging.
So guys, you also set many different charging sounds on your any iPhone. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have enjoyed this video, then like, share and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching guys. See you in next video. Bye bye.